Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change an image in Elementor. So first, open WordPress website and head over to a page in Elementor like this. Just head over to a page, open a page, and click on Edit Elementor. Now let's add an image here. Example, let's add a new blog image and drag and drop the image. Select the media image that you want to add. For example, we're going to add this image, let it load, and click on Select. If you want to modify the image width and height, just type in here on the image resolution and put in something, for example, or put it custom or full. So just this as you want medium large, for example. You can add a caption and you can add a link to the image. And click it, and this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.